customer. I gotta go. I love you.
Oh, Nathan. Okay. So,
Wait a minute. First of all, I'm tired. Now what do you need?
I was gonna say I needed this bottle of alcohol.
You like the alcohol?
Yeah.
Okay, you mind if I man?
Be good. So I have.
Is your baby alright?
Yeah, she's fine. Come on. I have about $2. That's for you. This OxiClean spot remover. It's top notch. And I think some used tissue.
Well, I'll just take your $2, but let me go check with my manager.
Be good, or Mom spank you even harder.
Are you alright on that?
Yeah.
Paul!
Come on, Paul.
Paul? He ain't here. So, sure. Just to get you out of my hair, you can have it.
Thank you. Come on, honey. Let's go home.
Exit that way, ma'am. That way. Oh, and, don't.
What's this?
Teddy's way, baby. Teddy's way.
Can I have your number? You can have my number. Number 2 is on the way. Come on, baby. Hurry up before we get home. Dad'll be very mad.
What does she mean, number 2? She got a poop or something?